Weekly wisdom. Why working harder stopped working. Escaping the hero trap in your business. If you're working more hours than ever and growth is still flat, the problem is almost never your work ethic. It's the way your business is designed. Most stalled but serious owners I meet are some of the hardest working people in the room. The issue is that all that effort is pouring into a model that depends on their heroics. And at a certain stage, that model just runs out of road. The ceiling you can't outwork. Here's the pattern I see over and over. In the early years, your drive is the competitive advantage. You say yes to opportunities, you jump into fires, you carry the relationships, you make the key decisions. That hustle works until complexity catches up. You add more people, more locations, more offers. But the underlying operating model stays the same. Everything routes through you, so your calendar fills, your inbox explodes, and the business starts to stall, even as you push harder than ever. At that point, trying to outwork the problem is like pressing harder on the gas when the car is in neutral. The engine revs, but you're not going anywhere. The personality-driven trap. I worked with an owner who lived this. From the outside, he looked successful. 7-figure revenue, loyal clients, a solid team. But every big client wanted him. Every key decision waited on his approval. Every new initiative required his personal involvement. He had built a personality-driven business. His biggest asset, his own drive, had quietly become the biggest bottleneck. The turning point came when he asked, "If I disappeared for 90 days, what value would this business still consistently deliver?" That question forced us to shift from "how do I do more" to "how do we build a business that performs whether I'm in the room or not?" Designing around the system, not the hero. That shift is not just for my clients. It's one I had to make myself. For years, I designed my own work around the assumption that I would always be the one to step in. Another late night, another special case, another fire I personally put out. I wasn't just solving problems, I was architecting dependency. The real leverage came when I started using a simple filter before I said yes to the next heroic push. If this works, does it make the system stronger, or just make me more necessary? When you start prioritizing moves that reduce dependency on any one person, standardizing the way value gets delivered, and building a scorecard the business can run on, something interesting happens. You work less in the business becomes more predictable, and growth stops depending on your ability to grind. So if you feel like you're outworking your results right now, don't just double down on effort. Step back and look at the design. Your next level of growth won't come from being a bigger hero. It will come from building a better system. Scan QR code in the corner to learn more.